Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Open your browser tab list and identify the site playing the wallpaper animation. Look for tabs with video thumbnails, animated previews, or titles matching wallpaper providers. Check running extensions and background apps in your browser or operating system. Open the Extension Settings menu and scan for wallpaper or theme names listed. Confirm whether a standalone wallpaper app or a browser tab supplies the wallpaper. If unsure, open Task Manager or Activity Monitor to locate high CPU processes. Make note of the exact app or tab name before proceeding to closure steps. Close the Wallpaper tab or stop the wallpaper extension from its settings. Right-click the tab and choose Close Tab, or open the extension menu and select Disable. If a standalone wallpaper app runs, open its system tray icon and choose Quit or Exit. Alternatively, open Task Manager on Windows or Activity Monitor on Mac and end the wallpaper process. Confirm the desktop has returned to your default background image. If the wallpaper persists, reboot the system to clear cached background services safely and completely. Uninstall or remove the wallpaper extension or app to prevent reactivation. Open your browser extensions page and click Remove or Uninstall for the wallpaper extension. For standalone apps, go to Control Panel or Applications and choose Uninstall, then Restart. Block the wallpaper site in browser settings or use an ad blocker rule to prevent future autoplaying backgrounds. Set a local image as your desktop background in System Preferences to lock desktop appearance. Keep extensions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.